in the early morning of May 10, the following day of May 9, 2016, when Mayor Rudy realized that time that he will be the next President of the Republic of the Philippines, he went to the grave of his mother and prayed over his grave. And he called upon his mother these words, "Ma, tabangi ko. Ma, tabangi ko." I think this is the same words that he's calling now upon us. Mga kababayan ko, tabangi ko. That as we gather here tonight, he may not hear this, but he knows that we are here, calling upon the high heavens, tabangi ko. He has dedicated his entire life to all of us here present and beyond, to Filipinos and even to foreigners, not only those who have married Filipinos and Filipinas, but even those whom he has touched the lives of many. And he has always kept saying this when he started his journey in the political life. He has always one thing in mind, one thing alone: to make the lives of Filipinos safer and comfortable. And I think to all of you here who are working abroad, to all of you here whose families are left behind, you can fully understand the words of Mayor Rudy, because that has always been his motivation in his public life. You may not have seen him in his private life, but I have seen him in his most vulnerable condition. But remember this, he has always kept his promise to the Filipino people that for so long as he lived, his life is always for you, for us, and for others. And I hope, as I've said, please continue to be united, to love him, to support him, as we continue to love and support each other. We find common strength in this unity that we are showing ourselves tonight. Not